pretties, welcome back to my channel. First off, if you haven't already joined the Pretty Gang, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell for notifications so you can get a notification every time I post a video. It really helps and I thank you so much. Moving right along, I decided to create a fun festival inspired look. I've never been to any type of festivals, but I'm hoping that this year I will step outside of my box and do some things. So when I think about festival, I automatically think about the beautiful makeup. I love the bold, bright colors. I love the glitter. I love just the freedom. This look has literally, I thought it was going to be one of my more challenging looks since I don't normally do this kind of thing, but it was one of my most fun looks, and I kind of wish that I had more glitter and stones and things to play around with. But I think that this is a very beginner, first time festival makeup look. I really hope that you all enjoyed this look. If you do, remember to thumbs up this video, and yeah, let's get right into it.
All right, let's get started with the Makeup Revolution Concealer. I love this concealer as an eye base because it's kind of on the dry side. For a concealer, I'm not really sure about it, but for an eyeshadow base, it's cool or whatever. It definitely works. I'm going to go ahead and tap that on my eye, and I do not use any powder to set it. It already sets itself. It's so dry. I'm going to use the 35C palette. And I'm using a brown color. Y'all know the routine right now. We're softly adding these colors in. Now I'm going to use this burgundy color. I love the 35C palette because the colors are intense. They do stain your eyes though, so don't be a little worried if you still see some pink and purples after you wash your face. I washed my face like 3-4 times and the shit was still there. It's cool. We do anything for the look, right? Now I'm going to use the Creative Me palette, and this palette I believe is by BH Cosmetics Coastal Scents, one of those companies that make really cheap eyeshadow palettes that I love because they got all the pretty bright colors. But I'm going to use that on the outer V area, and I'm just going to intensify the look a little bit more. I love purples on me. They always look so good. Purples on women of color are beautiful anyway. So after I get the colors to the intensity that I want, and I did actually go back and make them a little bit more intense than this, but at this current time, y'all know the makeup be tricking you and you be thinking it look good, but you gotta go back and do some stuff. Yeah. Now I'm just cutting my crease right now, and y'all already know how I do this. Very small, very easy, cutting my crease. I can't really do, I'm noticing I can't do that whole bit going over the crease line. It doesn't look the best on me. So this little small crease, it works for me and my little eyes. If you got little eyes like mine, try this. Don't watch the girl with the owl eyes. I mean, no disrespect, because I know everybody takes stuff so sensitive. You gotta watch girls who have little small eyes like yours and do it accordingly. Now I'm gonna do the Stila glitter, and I'll have what this is down below. I love these, and I'm going to pat that over the concealer area. The camera was cutting through this like really bad. I was trying to show y'all really good how I was doing this, but like I said, I was looking down way too far. All right, we're gonna move on to my face. I'm using the Too Faced Primed and Peached mattifying primer. Yeah, mattifying primer. Oh, those eyes look so pretty right there. You ever look at your own work and be like, yes, girl, you did it. You did it. Y'all probably like, this is the most ratchet all over the place tutorial that I ever watched, but I can't help but to be me. Okay, anyways, I'm going to go ahead and I'm gonna spread this all over the face, you know, get all the areas. I usually don't do primer. I won't lie, like my skin, it primes itself. That's just the kind of skin I was born with. But today I'm gonna do a little bit of primer for my girls who need to have some primer. This one is really good. I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty. I was thinking about what foundation I want to use. I'm gonna use Fenty. Fenty been good to me lately. I used the color 420, and I'm using my beauty blender. I was mad as hell because it wasn't wet. I should have, you know, when you're being lazy. I was being lazy. So don't be lazy, ladies. Like, get up and go wet that thing, make that thing damp. You know, you can't do nothing when it's dry, you know, like other things you can't do stuff with when it's dry. It's better wet. That's all I'll say. Use the beauty blender when it's wet. Now I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this color is light as hell. After I put this on, I said, oh my God, I'm about to be ready for the casket. Lay me down, please. But it all worked out like some kind of way. Like when I would see y'all put this stuff on, I was like, what are you girls doing? But I had to blend it out, and it worked out, and it was actually really, really, really pretty. So if you're brown like me, this color, it can actually work. Now, do I think it's like the best shade? Like, no, I don't really know why people are going crazy over it. Maybe they mix it with other stuff, because I could definitely find a shade that's way more complimentary, but I can make it work. I already paid my $27 for it, y'all. I lost the receipt, so it is what it is. I'm gonna use it till it ain't no more, all right? Now I'm taking, I believe this is Makeup Forever. It's a foundation stick, but I use it as a contour because it was a little bit too warm for me. I love it whenever I want to have that extra oomph with my contour, and I just put it all around my face and I'm blending it out. This time I went to go wet my beauty blender. I got it a little wet this time because I hate harsh contour lines. Like, no. I do not want to be looking like I'm a contestant on Drag Race, RuPaul Drag Race. I love Drag Race, but I'm real fish, so why would I want to not look like real fish? Anywho, go ahead and blend it out really good and nice and make it look soft and everything. Y'all know what to do at this point. Make it no lines. Make it look good. Now I'm going to do the AY Beauty. I don't know where this company went. They completely went ghost, y'all. I really need to stop using their products, but the highlighter is so freaking good. The company went ghost. I don't know where the owner went. I don't know what happened with her, but the powder is really good. If you can get some AY Beauty, definitely try them out. These lashes, I'm testing and trying. I have something up my sleeve with these lashes. You'll understand sooner. I put the lashes on. Now, the main part was the glitter. And of course, this is the part that got cut out. The glitter, have fun, be creative, go all over. You can do more than me, you can do less than me. Just, it's really no rhyme, reason, or anything. Just have fun with this glitter. I kind of did mine as if it was like a highlighter. I wanted it to be like my highlight, glitter highlight. Now I'm gonna go into my lips, and I'm lining with ColourPop R&B. Look at the eyes. The eyes are just so pretty. I think that this is perfect for beginners or someone who doesn't like you want to fit in at the festival, but you don't want to do a whole lot of drama. You just like to look kind of sexy with it. That's me. So this look is perfect, and this is definitely something I would wear. But I'm putting on the R&B by ColourPop as well. I did darken it up a little bit with ColourPop Zipper, but I did it off camera. That pretty much is going to complete this look. And very quick, very easy, very beginner friendly. I hope you all enjoyed it. If so, thumbs up this video, comment down below and let me know, will you be trying out some festival makeup? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell for notifications. I'll see you pretties in the next video. Until then, stay pretty.